In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recall or undo a sent email in the Outlook web version. If this sounds helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Outlook and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings. From there, scroll down and select Mail, and then click on Compose and Reply. Now scroll down until you see the section called Undo Send. This is the feature that gives you a short delay after hitting send, just in case you want to stop the email from being delivered. You'll see a slider where you can choose how long that delay should be. We recommend setting it to the max, 10 seconds, for the best chance to catch any mistakes. Once you've done that, don't forget to scroll down and hit save. Now let's see it in action. When you send an email, you'll see a small undo option appear at the bottom of the screen, but only for a few seconds. Click it quickly and your email won't be sent. Super simple, but a total lifesaver. And just a heads up, this isn't the same as the email recall feature in the desktop Outlook app, where you can try to pull back an already sent message. The web version lets you delay the send instead, so it's more of a preventive step. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more bite-sized tech how-tos.